Hi Body Rockers! So I have an exercise challenge for you today, and today's challenge is really not only physically demanding, but it's a mind game, because this exercise combo that we're going to be doing is it looks really scary. So your goal for today is to break through your fears and actually give it a try and find out that there's really nothing to it. So, even if you're a complete beginner, I'm gonna give you easier variations so that you can actually really give it a try and practice this exercise. So, I'm gonna go down on the mat, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And our goal is to complete this exercise combo for as many times as you can during 10 minutes. So, you start down on your knees, and from here, you're gonna power up and you're gonna jump into a squat like this. And from here you're gonna jump up. Now jump into the plank and do a clapping push-up. So this was one combo, and your goal is to complete as many of these it was one set, and your goal is to complete as many sets as you can during the 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna show you easier variation for beginners. So beginners, you guys can start in this position with one foot on the ground and try to just power up, and you can help yourself with this foot, and it helps you get your head around this exercise, kind of like figure out how this works while feeling more safe by keeping this foot on the ground. So again, start in this position and do this little jump so that even this foot jumps up a little bit, so that you get this foot off of the ground just a few inches. And from here, jump up. Now again, jump into the plank or step into the plank. And you can go on your knees, and you can do the clapping push-up from your knees, which is much easier. So, see? It's like a feather, so you can easily try that. And that's it. So, try to do as many reps as you can during the 10 minutes. And share your scores on our site, BodyRock.tv. I'm gonna share mine. Fred is gonna do this challenge. He's gonna share his scores as well, so that we can compare it. And that's it. Let's see who's gonna do as many. Who's gonna do the most amount of. I can't even talk today. Help, please! Why are you just like looking at me with the camera?
I was waiting for recovery. I was waiting to see if you were gonna put it together.
I don't recover. Okay, so let's see who's gonna do the most amount of sets. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow we're doing workout, and I already know what the name of the workout is gonna be. It's gonna be the Survivor workout, and it's gonna be awesome. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.